morning, everyone. Very good morning. Welcome to today's practical class, all of y'all. I hope all of y'all are keeping fine. Okay, guys, girls, all of y'all. Day before, I gave you all some data files to download. The 2019 web authoring files. Abdurrahman, what's going on over there? Your device should be away and in your bag. Okay, come on, everybody. 2019, I gave it to you all day before. I told you all to have it downloaded onto your device. Okay, so guys, if we finish this on time, most probably we will start Excel today. We will start spreadsheets today. Okay, it all depends on how much we can finish today. Right, so everybody, your web authoring data file, the 2019 file, I gave it to you all in zip format. It's in compressed format. You all need to, uncompress it. You all need to unpackage it, take the content out. Okay, so guys, girls, everybody, can you all please go into your 2019 compressed web authoring file? Everybody, the one that you downloaded from the class group, this particular file. Okay, so we open this up. Everybody, we open this up. When you open it, inside it, you can see there is a folder that says 2019 web authoring past paper question. Everyone sees it? Now, guys, girls, first, again and again, I keep reminding, I have a software called WinRAR that opens up compressed files. Some of you all don't have WinRAR. You all are using File Explorer itself. Okay, so if you see a icon like, there is a folder with a zip over it, it means it's compressed. You have to uncompress it. You have to take the content outside. Okay, so everybody, can you open it up? And whether it's WinRAR or File Explorer, doesn't matter. You can close this trial message. Okay, everybody, what do we do here? Click on this end. Click on this end. Control C to copy. Everybody, you press Control C and copy this folder, and then come to your web authoring folder and press Control V. Okay, so everybody, can you all see I have my web authoring folder over here? Can everyone do that, please? Radin, yes, you can do that also. Okay, Radin, the reason I'm showing this method is because some do not have WinRAR. Some are using File Explorer. Okay. Guys, girls, everybody, have you all extracted it? Guys, you all cannot work on the compressed files. It will not save changes. Okay, so please make sure you have extracted it. You have taken it out. Are we good? Okay, because when I come to your laptop after 15-20 minutes and see that you're working on the compressed file, you'll have to start from zero again. Nothing else can be done. Okay, so please make sure you have extracted it. Anyone having problems up to now? Please, can you put your bag inside, please? Anyone having problems? No, right? Okay, then we'll get started. No? Right, everybody, this is your third web authoring past paper question. So there is a lot that you guys can do on your own. Okay, so let's get started. You all don't need to watch every single step that I do. Okay, let's open up the question paper. Guys, girls, can you open up the question paper? For me to open up the question paper, I have a software called Adobe Reader. Some of you all don't have it. For some of you all, it might be Edge, it might be Chrome, it might be Opera. Not a problem, as long as you have a software to read the question paper. Okay, come on, guys, let's open it up. Anybody outside? You tell them to come in soon. Okay, right. In the meantime, everybody else, come soon, come to the front. Can you all read the scenario, please? Everybody, scenario, please. Simon is the owner of Celtic Spring Scuba. The company teaches diving and offers diving trips around the world. These are the company's contact details. You have the address. Okay, everyone, look here, video. You have the address, you have the telephone, you have the website, you have the email. And then, guys, girls, there is a house style that you need to maintain. Only when you are creating company documents. Okay, what is it? Wherever you put the company's name, what should it be? The company's name, wherever you put it, read below. It should be bold and italic. And the company, the logo should always be in the top left-hand corner. The logo should always be in the top left-hand corner. Okay, right, guys, this is what we call house style. Everybody, in past papers from 2019 onwards, this house style has come into play. From 2019 onwards. Okay, before that, we didn't have this house style. Okay, from 2019 onwards, we have this house style. Okay, and you need to remember this throughout the paper. Okay, right. Let's get moving, everyone. So, guys, girls, can you all first do this word processing question? Everybody get started with this video. Create this word processing question. Hurry up. You need to create a new Word document in your 2019 folder. Okay, called task A3. And here, guys, can you all see in the header? In the header, your name, your candidate number, and center number. Right. Let's get started, everyone. Come, boys. What's the following here? For task what? Task A3. Yes, everybody. Very nice. All of you are done. So, everybody, I go into my folder. In my folder, what do? Right click, new. Oops, sorry, I did something. One second, please. I mistakenly deleted my files. Right. So, everybody, we come to our folder. I'm going to right click and say new Word document. The name is task A3. Girls, boys, look here. Task A3. We open it up and we go into the header, not footer. From 2019 onwards, examiners changed to header, to filling your header. Okay, hurry up, hurry up. So I zoom out and I open the header area over here. We double click and open the header. What do we type over here? Task A3, your name, your candidate number, and your center number. Everybody okay with this? Task A3, name, candidate number, and center number. We close our header and footer. Okay, everybody okay with this? Right. Now, guys, girls, everybody, where do we move now? Everybody, can you read with me now? Everybody, stop work and read with me. Simon wants you to create 2 pages. If I were you, I would highlight that. Okay, how many pages? 2 pages we'll be working on for his website. Content for the website is stored in web page. Can everybody please check web page? What do you all see in it? Boys, girls, he says that there is content for you inside a file called web page. Do you all have a file called web page? Shall we check and see? There is a Word document called web page. And when I open it up, what do I see inside it? We are a dive center. There's a paragraph. There's another paragraph that says once you have passed your open water course, then there is another area about the courses that they offer. I think so. Okay, there is content, right? Everybody don't look at my screen. Open yours and see is yours working. Check whether your file is working. Because you'll be using your file now. See the same. Guys online, I hope you all see the same inside. Then the examiner says he wants you to create 2 linked pages. Are we okay with that? The 2 web pages you create must be connected to each other. From one web page, you should be able to go to the other web page. Sounds good. What are the 2 pages? There's going to be a home page. There's going to be a courses page. Okay. Right. Both web pages must be saved as .html, meaning the file extension should be .html. Right. Create a home page based on this design. So, guys, girls, how do we look at this design? We look at it as a table, right? We look at this as a table. So, guys, girls, shall we open up Dreamweaver now itself? We'll first create the layout, save it, and then we'll make changes because Dreamweaver might suddenly crash. Okay. So she doesn't have she has it. Okay. So, guys, girls, I'm going to create the layout now itself. So, shall we go into Dreamweaver? Start Dreamweaver. Okay. So, we open up Dreamweaver CS6. Okay. You guys know what to do. Can you guys first tell me how many rows, how many columns? Is he correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows and 2 columns. I agree with him. Okay. 6 rows, 2 columns. I would prefer no borders and 100% width. Okay. 6 rows, 2 columns with no borders and 100% width is what I would prefer. It's up to you to choose. If you want to put borders, put borders. Because the examiner hasn't said no borders, right? It's all up to you to choose. I feel it looks better without borders. That's my personal preference. So guys, in Dreamweaver, we say, you know what? Sorry, I need a new HTML document. Razad, where are you? Same place. Right, you all know what to do, right? I'll keep this on the screen. I'll walk around the class now. And you all know what to do, I'm pretty sure. And those who are done, save the web page as well. The first web page should be saved as. To save it as well, the first page. Read the question page. Read the question page. Yeah, yes, right. Download it. Come on, download it. Come on. Save. Download it. Save it. Save. Save the one. 6 rows, 2 columns. I prefer no borders. Save 6 rows, 2 columns. Save it. Everyone, read the question paper and see how to save it as. Everybody read the question paper and see how to save it as. So when I come to insert table, 6 rows, 2 columns, 100% width, which means fit the entire screen. Whether it's a tablet screen, smartphone screen, doesn't matter, fit the screen. I don't want borders, so I'm going to say 0, no borders. Do you, what do you call? All the others not important right now. You can now say okay. So guys, girls, now itself, can we do the saving? Okay, you all know why we are saving, right? Dreamweaver can crash. And you all have seen it happening to you all. So everybody, now we're making a big jump. Where are we going? We're jumping all the way over here. Save the home page as index. Everybody okay with this? We are working on the home page right now. Save the home page as index. So can everyone do that now? File, save. Go to your web authoring folder. Hurry up, soon. 2019 web authoring. And we save this as index. Index. You don't need to put .html. Dreamweaver is doing that for you. Okay. Index.html. Okay. Okay. Over there. Have the data files created. Right, boys, girls, shall we do the merging as required? So what do you all see? First row is clearly merged, right? First row is fully merged. Second row is fully merged. Third row is fully merged. Can you all do those now? Hurry up. So I'm going to select my first row. Everyone look first. You all know how to do this. First row, left, select and go all the way to the right. My entire first row is selected. Now what do? Right click, table, merge cells. Then I select my second row, left to right, right click, table, merge cells. Third row, left to right, right click, table, merge cells. The last row is also fully merged. I'm going to do that also. Last row also select from left to right, right click, table, merge.
task A3, they say both web pages must be saved as .html.
So Dreamweaver did that for us now.
I put in
Must be saved as .html. Whatever the name is, .html. Okay. So .html, Dreamweaver did that for us now. Everyone look at this layout and merge your cells. Okay. Also, did you all notice, everybody? Row 1, row 2, row 3. This is row 4 and 5. Second column is merged. Did you all realize that? Row 4 and 5's second column has been merged. Can you all merge those two also? These two columns, row 4 and 5's two rows, row 4 and 5's second column have to be merged. Table merge cells. Okay, come on everyone. I'll keep the layout on the screen.
yes, to be
No problem is the last row should be fully booked. To make this up,
it's equal to
let's make this. Back if it's another else. Yeah, it's a keyboard. Put this keyboard properly. We put properly. We can't handle this. Right, everybody. We are moving on. Guys, girls, can you all center align the cursor in the first row? You can see logo and company name is supposed to be center aligned. So shall we do that? In the very first row, right now my cursor is left aligned. Everyone saw that now? See, click and see below. Click and see, the cursor is automatically appearing on the left. So let's right click on that cell and say align it to the center. Okay? Can you guys do that? Right click and say align center. Now that your cursor is in the center, can you all copy and paste the logo? I gave you all an image called Scuba Diver, right? There is an image called Scuba Diver. You can use this as a logo. It's a clip art, no, it's not a photograph, right? You can use this as your logo. So Control C, come over here, shortcut key to paste, Control V. What does it ask you? It asks you for alternate text. Anyone remembers the purpose of alternate text?
in case the image is not there.
Exactly. In case the image doesn't load, what do you want to show the user? What do you want to tell the user? So you can simply say company logo. Everybody okay with this? I feel the logo is way too big. From the corners, resize it. From the corners, make it smaller. If you want to resize the height of your table, double click on the borders. A simple double click on the border will resize everything for you. Alternate text is if the image doesn't load, you can display a text message to the user. So tell them this is company logo. Okay. Everybody, if you double click on the borders, it automatically adjusts. Then can you all type the company name also next to it? CS Scuba what? Celtic Spring Scuba, right? It was called Celtic Springs Scuba. HTML. So Ashane, this is a common problem. Dreamweaver suddenly stops responding. I hope you have saved your work as you have gone along. If you have saved your work, you can just say, okay, cancel, and you can go and open it again and continue now. Okay, that's why I told her at the beginning, keep saving your work as you go along, because Dreamweaver is known for this problem. Celtic Spring Scuba. Okay. Right. Right. I'm not making it heading 1 or heading 2 right now. I'll do that later. Okay. When the examiner tells me to do it, I'll do it. Everyone okay with this? Then row number 2 will be your page title. What page are we creating right now?
Home page.
The home page. Right now we are creating home page. So everybody, my page title will be home. Right now I'm creating the home page now. So here I'm going to say home. Again, center align. Right click, align, center. Over here I'm going to say home. Then the third row says link to other pages. What's the other page we are creating? Home and courses. Everyone know what I'm talking about, right? The second page that we are creating is courses. So link to other page will be courses. Linking and all, I'll do it later. For now, I'll just type it. So again, right click, align, center. Over here, I type courses. Okay, waiting for you all now. Your center line is not. Huh? Yes. Not from there, right click. Okay, okay.
Yeah, this one.
Save your work as you keep going along. Dreamweaver can suddenly crash.
Which page it is?
Keep pressing Control S as we go along. Keep pressing Control S as we go along. Dreamweaver is open, right? We didn't make it. We're using a different version. We didn't make it 100% now. No problems. Yes, Abdullah, you know what to do? Right, we are moving on. You don't have to wait for me. I'm just walking around the class. Images. I don't know which image. Later on, when I read, I'll do it. Guys, but you all can see the two images need to be center aligned now. Can you all align the cursor in the center? For these two cells, can you align the cursor in the center? So when you paste the image, it will be in the center. What image to put, I don't know yet. So for now, just put the cursor only in the center. Right click, align, center. Cursor is in the center. Later on, we'll put the image. Right click, align, center. The introductory text also, guys, I do not know what the introductory text is, but I know the cursor needs to be in the center. So right click, align, center. The last row is also center align. Yes, sir. Last row is also center align. I'm supposed to put email address and telephone number. Guys, girls, do you all remember where we get telephone and email address? From your scenario, from your very first page. Everybody, if you scroll up to your first page, telephone number is there, email is there. So shall we mention that? Email colon simon@cscuba.net. simon@cscuba.net. I'll keep about 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3. No, I can't take more than that. 1, 2. Telephone colon 01632 444 675. Everybody, shall we make we'll make email bold. Everyone know how to make email bold?
Select the text.
Select it, right click it, style, bold. Telephone also, can you all do the same? Select it, right click it, style, bold. Okay, come on everyone. Right, very slow. Open up the question paper so you can read the question paper by doing all it. Yes, you don't need to wait for me, you can keep moving. Right, everybody. The examiner then goes on to say, okay, use the following background color, use the following color scheme. So for the background color, he has given you a color code. For the text color also, he has given you a color code. Anyone remembers where we go for save your work? Anyone remembers where we go for background color and all that? Modify page properties. Okay. Oh, sorry. CC, yes, we can press Control B. I can't remember. Can we? Can't we? We can. Yes, we can. You can press Control B and make it bold in Dreamweaver as well. Everybody, you can press Control B and make it bold. So we're going to modify page properties. And for page properties, guys, now previous papers, they told us the color now. Here the examiner has given you the exact color code, hashtag, and he has given you. So what's the color code for text? Hashtag, it's midnight blue now, hashtag. No, careful, everybody, careful. He has given you the background color and the text color only for introductory text. Everyone saw this, not for the whole web page. So things are going to be a bit different now. Everybody, can you all do the background color? He has said only the introductory text should be midnight blue. Okay? Right. So guys, girls, can we come back to the background color? It should be hashtag 8FBC8F. So background color is hashtag 8FBC8F. Everybody okay with this? Do not change the text color because text color is only for the introductory text, not for the entire web page. So background color is hashtag 8FB8C8F. Okay? Hashtag 8FBC8F. All caps are. Modify page properties. Hurry up. Everybody come on. Then guys, girls, those who are done, can you go ahead and click on apply? Okay, what's wrong? So modify page properties. Okay, everybody, you all understand why I didn't change the text color, right? Because examiner has said only for the introductory text, not for the whole web page. When you go to page properties, the entire page gets affected. Okay. Right. So I'm going to say apply now. I'm going to say apply and I'm going to say okay. Now my entire web page is having this background color. Everyone saw this? Entire web page is having this background color. Now I say okay. Then guys, girls, I'm going to start. So shall I put ticks for whatever I have done? I have done this part. This is done. Okay. Logo is done. Okay. Now guys, girls, where do I get the... So everybody, can you all see this? Company name should be H1. Can you all make the company name H1? Company name we already typed, no? Can you all make the company name H1? So where is the company name? Company name is right next to the logo. We select it, right click, paragraph format, heading number 1. Okay, company name should be heading number 1. H1 means heading 1. There you go, we made it heading number 1. Shall I put a tick that we did that also? Company logo, I made it heading number 1. Everybody now, listen carefully, something new is coming up for y'all, which I taught y'all earlier, but we didn't practice in past papers yet. Everyone look at my screen below. Save your work and look at my screen for 2 minutes. Everybody save your work and then look at my screen. Everyone, can you look here? Stop work. Everyone stop work. Here the examiner says the page title, only for page title. Girls, boys, everyone, look here. Something new. Only for page title. Only for page title, the font size should be 18. It should be bold and it should be italics. Okay, only page title. So guys, girls, what we are going to do is we are going to create a style with these properties inside it. Everybody okay with this? We are about to create a CSS style, and inside that style we are going to have three properties. Font size is 18, font style is bold and italic. Okay, so watch how I do it. Everyone look here. This is my page title now. I'm going to select it. Girls, boys, look here. Now I'm going to right click over here and I'm going to come down to CSS styles. And what am I going to do here? I'm going to create a new style. I'm going to create a new style, new. The moment you click on new, are you all watching? The moment you click on new, it asks you, give us a meaningful name for this style. Okay, you can say page title, but remember, whatever name you give, do not keep spaces. Okay, so I'll say page title. Underscore is no problem. No spaces, but space not allowed. Okay, so now all of you all, okay. So page title is the name of this style that I'm about to create. Now I say okay. When I say okay, it immediately asks me, okay, for this particular style, what are your properties? I'm interested in only three properties. What are they?
Size, bold, italic.
The size should be 18. This particular style called page title should have a font size of 18, should have a font style of italic. Okay, the font style should be italic and the font weight should be bold. Everyone saw this, sir? Girls, everyone? I just created a new style with these three properties inside it. Font size is 18, font style is italic, the font weight is bold. Are we good? Now guys, girls, you can say apply, but high chances it will not get applied. You'll have to manually go back and apply it again. Click on apply and see if it works. I don't think it will work. When I click on apply and say, okay, it didn't work. Can you see, did anything change here? Nothing changed. So again, you have to select it. Right click, CSS styles and say, you know what? I want the page title style applied. Everybody okay with this? Even though you click on apply, it doesn't get. So again, select it, right click, CSS styles. I want the page title applied to it. Now can you see? Now it is bold, italic, size 18. Size 18 is a bit smaller than your usual font. Save your work as you go along. No, they didn't tell. Did they say that? They didn't say anything like that yet. So Ashin, I just created page title. I was showing you all this time. Ashin, I right clicked, I came to CSS styles and I first created it. I clicked on new and created it first. Then I came back to my text and applied it. Do you understand? First create it. Okay, the name of the style will be page title, the font size 18, bold, italic. First create it. Then come back, select your text and apply it. Okay. Right, boys, girls. I'm going to put a tick for this also. Everybody, I have done this also. Everybody, include two appropriate images from the images folder. Guys, can you all get this? The linking we'll do later. Everybody, examiner says include two appropriate images from the images folder. Can you all do that? So we are talking about scuba diving now. Get two appropriate images. So I'll take image number 4, Control C. And where do we come and paste them? We come and paste them over here, Control V. For alternate text, I'll say scuba diving. Then guys, girls, do you all remember in the question paper, what was the size of the image? 250 by 250. Everyone saw this? Guys, girls? So Aman, without sitting there, you come and sit here below. But he has no idea what you're doing. Everybody, resize your images to 250 by 250. Do you remember how to resize? When you click on your image at the bottom, you have image size, isn't it? When you click on your image in the properties box, width and height have been mentioned. So can you all change it? Width is 250. Height is also 250. Girls, when you all click on the image in the properties box, W and H are given, width and height. Change it to 250 by 250. Copy the second image also, image 7. Control V. This is also 250 by 250. Guys, if your borders are stretched too much, simply double clicking on it will adjust it for you. Simply double clicking on your borders or dragging it will work for you. See, I'm clicking and dragging. Everyone look here. Click and drag. $250 by $250. Perfect. Click on your borders and make them smaller. Okay, right. Then guys, girls. Everyone, can you look here for a second? Boys, girls. They have also told me, I'm going to put a tick. I have inserted the images. I have done this part. I have inserted the images. Okay. Radin, you choose appropriate images. Anything related to scuba diving is good enough. Okay. What is wrong? Fix what? So Radin, you can see your image on my screen now. Your border is somewhere here. When you keep the cursor on the border, the cursor will change to adjustable. Then just pull the border back. You get it? When you bring the cursor to your border, it will change. Then you just click and drag it. Okay. Everybody, they have said, everyone look here below. Boys, one of the connected to www.cscuba.net. Okay. One of the images, when I click on it, where should it take me? www.cscuba.net. Now guys, girls, do we have a web page like that? We don't. So when you click on it, what are you going to see as the output? Nothing. It will say there is no page like that. That doesn't mean you have made a mistake. Okay. You guys understand? There's no page like that. You're just following the examiner's instruction. Okay. So don't get upset when you see that message. So I'm going to go with the first image. Everybody, when the user clicks on the first image, what's the link? Can you guys see at the bottom? We have link now. I'm going to click on the first image. At the bottom, we have link. For link, what am I going to say? www.cscuba.net. And then guys, do not forget to press enter to confirm it. This is my hyperlink. Do not forget to press enter to confirm. Yes, that's the hyperlink. No, they said one of the images. Here, one of the images must be linked to. Save your work as you go along. Save your work as you go along. Whatever. We are moving on. Guys, girls, everybody. Can you all get the include appropriate content from the web page document? Remember, get the content only for the home page, not the courses page. From your web page document, only get the content for the home page, which is from here to here. See, this is for your courses web page. This content for your courses web page. This content is only for your home page. So everybody careful. We select from here to here, Control C. We come over here, Control V. Everyone, I have pasted the content for my home page. Okay, I'm going to put a tick over here. This is also done. Okay, copy and paste the introductory text only for the home page, not for courses. Okay. How come we don't have the file? Are you working on it? I work on getting it. We're going to start Excel next week. Come on, everyone. Guys, girls, everybody. This is our
Yes.
all good. Nobody's having problems. Guys, one more thing. Everybody, do you all remember we skipped something? Girls, we skipped something, right? Introductory text should be midnight blue. Can you all do this from CSS styles, everyone? Only the introductory text that you just copied and pasted should be midnight blue, 191970. Only the introductory text, okay? So what do? I only select the introductory text. Everyone look here. Only the introductory text I select. We right click and we say, you know what? I want to create a new CSS style. Okay, I want to create a new CSS style. Give it a meaningful name like intro text. Intro text. Give it a meaningful name, guys. You're about to create a new style with only one property inside it. Everyone with me?
Select it and go to CSS now.
You can do the whole question right?
Okay, that one is only this paragraph.
Intro text. Okay, everybody? By the way, you made a mistake. Did you make a table for the courses? That's it, you made a table. Everybody, intro text. We say, okay, only one property inside it, which is the font color. So for color, I come and say hashtag 191970. Only one property inside intro text. The color is 191970.
No space.
Also, 191970.
Does it have to be a hash?
Hash. Yeah, it's a color, no color code. No, you put a hashtag in front. So I'm going to say apply and I'm going to say okay. It doesn't get applied. You have to manually come and apply it now. Select it, right click, CSS styles, intro text. Okay, everyone, save your work. I'm going to put a tick over here that this is also done. This is done. This is also done. Guys, my last thing for the index homepage. My last thing, can everyone look here? Last one, what's going on?
Put a hash or something.
Color change. One in the back, please. One in the back, in the back. Check one under the table. First.
3. Let's select text table.
What's going on? Everybody, look here. Everyone, can you stop work? Everybody, stop work for a minute. Examiner has said include the email address and telephone number. We did that. Make the email address and email link. Everyone, look here below. After you can get back to work. Everybody, email address should become an email link. Meaning, when I click on it, my email software should open up. A new message should be created. And in the to box, the email address should automatically appear. That's what we call an email link. Everyone understand this? An email link is here. When you click on it, your email software opens up. A new message is created. And in the to box, this email address should appear. What email address? This email address over here. How do we do it?
Select the text. Link you just paste.
No, it is a mail to also. Everyone look here. Select this email address. And then at the bottom we have link. No? In the link, what do we type? Mail to colon. First, mail to. MAILTO colon, the two dots. Mail to colon. Then type the email address. simon@cscuba.net. And then press enter to confirm it. Everybody, this is what we call a email hyperlink. Everyone, this is what we call an email hyperlink. Mail to colon simon@cscuba.net. If you don't put the mail to, it's not an email hyperlink. The mail to has to be there. Press enter to confirm. Okay, you're done. Finish. If you can go to the next one, I'll be ready for the next one. But install also. Where do you get up, right? At least when you the break, this file for me. Okay. You just keep this. The break. Okay, right. Guys, girls, let's keep moving. Okay. So everybody, this is also done. I'm going to press enter to confirm. When you press enter, immediately you will see simon@cscuba.net becomes hyperlink. Right. Shall we save our work? Everybody keep saving your work. This is also done. Everybody, can you all open up Index in your web browser and take a screenshot? Everybody, girls over there, can you open up Index in your web browser and take a screenshot and paste a screenshot in task A3? So I go into my folder, Index is over here, double click. I might have to zoom out a little bit, or you might have to take 2 screenshots, okay? I can zoom out and get all the content to fit one screen. If your laptop screen is too small, then take 2 screenshots, otherwise take 1. Windows Shift S. Windows Shift S. From top to bottom we take it and we go and paste it in task A3. Everybody take it in your web browser, not in Dreamweaver. What happened? Right, everybody, you all save your work? Guys, girls. Everybody, let's move on. Let's save our work and everybody, I'm going to take this is done, screenshot is done, pasting the screenshot is done, resaving is done. There is no printing, obviously. Can you all resave Dreamweaver? Then in the top also I have done everything, right? Top also I have done. Link I haven't done yet. Page title is done. Introductory text done. Images done. Done. Email address is done. Telephone number is done. Only link to other page I haven't done yet. I'll do it when they tell me to do it. Okay. All this is done. All done. I haven't missed anything. Right. Make a copy of the home page and rename it as courses. So girls, boys, all of you, what are we going to do? We're going to make a copy of this. So what option can I go to? Save as, right? We can go as save a copy or save as. Everybody, shall we do that? Let's go to the Index homepage. Everybody, look here. I'm going to make a copy of this web page and save it under a new name. So look here, file, save as. Okay, save as means make a copy of this and save it under a different name. So save as, make sure you're in the 2019 folder. What's the name going to be? The name is courses. So can we guys do this? Everybody, can we do this? Save it as courses. Update what? Dreamweaver. Update links, yes, sir. So we say courses. It will ask you, do you want to update your hyperlinks? You will say, yes, I want to update them. Okay. Everybody, did we create courses? Boys? Aman, I like that you're helping him, but he's not at all benefiting from your help. He's dreaming away there. Why don't you just time to time offer some assistance? Let him mainly handle it. Dreaming when you're working. Yes, he will assist you, not he will do everything for you. Come on. Okay, right. Everybody, we have now created courses. Guys, can you all see on Dreamweaver? I have index over here. I have courses over here. We have both web pages over here. Right, I'm going to zoom out. Everybody, what are the changes we make here? The page title should become courses. So if the page title becomes courses, the below one should become. Everybody, in your courses web page, if you're going to put courses here, they should be home then. They should change places, no? So we're going to make this courses. Something went wrong. Let's try again. Courses, and this is going to become home. Can you guys make these two changes? I'll put a tick that we have done this. Okay. Everybody, can you all make this change? In your courses web page, courses and home should change places. Okay. Both working for you, but browser gives you a better view. Everything is visible. Okay, great. Guys, girls. Everybody, we are moving on. The examiner now says include a table using information from web page. Everybody, we are going to spend some time over here. We remove this text over here, everyone. Remove this text now. This text is from the home page now. Remove it. Rank courses now, no. Remove it. And this table, guys, you can't just copy and paste it. You need to create a table and one by one, you need to copy and paste. Quite a mess. How many rows, how many columns do you see here? 6 rows, 5 columns. Okay, can you create this? So come inside your this area, insert table, 6 rows, 5 columns. I'm going to keep borders for this table. For this table, I'm going to keep borders. For this second table of 6 rows, 5 columns, I'm going to keep borders. And I'm going to say, okay, everyone saw my table. Now one by one, you need to copy and paste. Border 100%. Border will not border, it's a big border, I just 1 pixel. Perfect. Not 100 pixels, 100%. Okay, come on, everyone. Nothing you can do now. We have gone so far now. 5 classes. Now let's see. Yeah. Okay, wow.
Yes, thank you. So that's fine. You can do it to anyone else.
Yes, everybody, copy and paste one by one. This is going to take some time. So we have course. I'll just Control C. Come here, Control V, guys. You all can use Alt or Tab to shift between programs. So you all don't need to use the mouse every time. Open water, Alt or Tab, Control V. Alt tab, advanced OW, Control C, Control V. Alt tab makes it a bit easier for you. And the numbers, instead of copying, typing will be fast, I think. By heart the numbers and then just come and paste it. 2211, 2211. Next column we have 20001, 20001. Next column 45442, 45442. Next column what do we have? 1830. One second, 40. One second. Nothing. What do you say? Huh? Can't find it. Order. 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 Can you see the programs are open now? You want to go to program? Look at my finger. Tap. Which one do you want to go to? Program you want to go to? Whatever your web page, you close this. What is first next? Where is your file save? 2019. I said to save it as index, no? What is 2019? Where all the data file? Compressed, can you see the zip simply say it's compressed. What you find which compressed files? I can try to do that, take it out first. Even already done, so where you say the print here. I told you the name 2009 was supposed to be index. Courses web page, yes, I can work in a courses web page of you. Process. And then start doing this. Yes. What are you waiting for? Now I'm going to copy and paste the headings. Number of classroom sessions. Number of classroom sessions. Then next, what do we have? Number of pool sessions. Number of dives. Depth in meters. All of these should be bold. Can you guys bold all of them? Right click, style, bold, or control B. Very simple. Okay, give me a second to take attendance. Okay. Have they? No, they haven't. Just type the data only. Yes, come on everyone. I'm moving in 2 minutes. Guys, we're almost at the end of this paper. Almost at the end of it. Right, all this? Almost at the end of it, only hyperlinking remaining and a couple of screenshots. 30 seconds to go. Perfect. Okay. Right. Now we're going to move. Yeah. This. Yeah. Okay, everybody, can you all just resave your work again? We don't want this to crash now. Let's go and tick what we have done. I have done the table. Then guys, linking the two pages. Everyone look here. When I click on home, boys, girls, look here below. I'm in courses right now. When I click on home, I need to go to the index web page. Okay, the first web page. So everyone look here. I'm going to right click and say make it a link. Everyone with me? I'm going to select home. I'm going to right click and say, you know what, make this a link. When I click on that, it asks me, okay, where do you want to go? I want to go to the index. Where is index? Index is here. When I click on home, I want to go to the index web page. So I say, okay. Then guys, do not forget to do the same in your index page. In your first web page, we didn't link it now. So I go into index. I select the word courses. Select the word courses. Right click, make link. And now choose the courses web page over here. Correct. Okay. You make one hyperlink for index and one hyperlink for courses. You didn't get it? Look here. I'm in the courses web page right now. Now, in the courses web page, when I click on home, where should I go? I should go to index now. So I'm going to connect it. I'm selecting this word. Right click, make link. Okay. When I click on make link, it asks me, okay, what do you want to do? So I choose index web page. When I click on it, I must come to the index web page. Okay. Then just like that, boys, look here. Just like that, in the index page, when I click on courses, where should I go? I should go to the courses web page. So come here, right click, make link, and choose the courses web page now. Please make sure you save both, otherwise the hyperlinks will not work. Make sure you save both web pages. We are moving in a minute. I'm coming behind. If anyone is having any problems? Sorry? Check one read here. Right, we are moving on. Everybody, examiner then says, so I have done this. I have created both the links. Save the courses page as courses. I have done that. Resave the home page as index. That is also done. Let me go and just resave it. Index, resave. That is also done. Take a screenshot of your courses page in a web browser, paste it. I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to open courses in my web browser. Everyone looking here. Courses I open in my web browser. Oh, Yusuf, tend to come in. Okay, I'm going to zoom out, control minus. Now everything is visible now. Windows Shift S. And now I take it from top to bottom. Top to bottom. And now what do? I go and paste it inside task A3. Enter task A3. So I have my index page. I have my courses page. Hurry up everyone. Can you all attempt that please? This is also done. Anyone needs help? We're coming to an end. Yeah, the first question said take index. At the beginning, they said take a screenshot of index. Okay. Then guys, girls, after this is done, they are telling you to copy and paste the HTML code of the home page. Everybody, you can copy it from Dreamweaver or you can copy it from Google Chrome. We'll copy it from Dreamweaver below. They said to copy and paste now. So everybody, I'll go to the index page. Boys, look here below. I'm going to go into Dreamweaver. I'm going to go into Index. Right now I'm in Design View now. I'm going to go into Code View. Shortcut key to select everything is Control A. When you press Control A, all your code gets selected. They told to copy the code of the index page, the home page. So Control A, shortcut key to copy is Control C to copy here. Everybody, Control A, Control C to copy here. And where do we paste it? Copy and paste in task A3. So we go to task A3 and paste our code. Task A3 is where? It's over here. I'll take a new page and paste it. Control V. Everybody, I have pasted my code. Everyone saw? My code is pasted. Come on. Nice. Nice.
That's fine. That's good.
Very good. Very good. They always make sense. It's not one of them. Okay, right. Everybody, we are moving away from here. Guys, girls, all of y'all, this is done. What do we have next? There is a message. The message says this. Who is this? Prabodha, is it solved? Or you still need help? Control A, so go into code view, Control A to select everything, Control C to copy. Okay, Ashin, Control A is to select. Control C is to copy. Control V is to paste. Prabodha, let me know. Is your problem solved or do you need me to help you with it still? Right, everybody, guys, girls, we are moving on. Examiner then says, this is done. Can you all close task A3 now? Everyone close task A3 below. And can you create a new Word document called task A3B? Everybody close task A3 and create a new Word document called task A3B. And can you all fill the header? Task A3B. So I'm going to do the same thing. Close task A3. We can close task A3. We can close web page. Okay. Now we create a new Word document called task A3B. Right click, new Word document. The name is task A3B. Immediately we go into the header, your name, candidate number, center number. Open the header. Task A3B. No need task A3B, your name, candidate number and your center number. Come on, I have only 5 minutes. Hurry up. Your name, candidate number and your center number. Okay, once my header is done, I'm going to press escape and come out of it. Okay. I'm moving a little fast now. Examiner then says, Simon wants you to make these changes to the HTML code for the home page. Can everyone look here? The home page introductory text should be black color. You all remember how to create a new color for a specific part of the page? What were we creating? CSS style. So I'll call it intro text 2 with only one property of black color. So everybody, can you all go into the home page? Everybody, let's go back into design view. In the home page, only for the introductory text, I'm going to right click. Girls, look here below. I'm going to right click over here. I'm going to create a new CSS style, a new one. I'll call it intro text 2. Intro text 2. And this will have only one property, which is black color. The color hashtag, what was it? 000000, hashtag 000000, 6 zeros. Okay, that's all. Only one property inside it. Then I say apply. It doesn't get applied anyway. Now you have to manually go and select your text and apply it. CSS styles, intro text 2. Can everyone do this? Come on, boys. I'm running out of time. Yeah. Applied also. It became black. Okay. Zaid, where are you? In this point?
So how many views?
6. Okay, done. Intro text 2. Then can you all make that underline also? Something has to be made underline, they said. Everybody, they said your page title should be underlined. Do we need to create a new CSS style for this? No, right? In style, we already have underline, isn't it? For page title, guys, no need to create a new CSS style. If you right click and come to style, underline is right there. Or you can press Ctrl U. Okay? Style, and you can just say underline. There you go, it became underline. Everyone saw that? This is now underlined. Okay? Right. Everybody, the examiner now says, examiner, can you all save your work again? Hurry up, guys. The examiner now says, I made this change, I made this change. Resave index. I'm going to resave it. Control S. Display the HTML code for the home page. Shall we do that? We'll come to code view. Control A to select everything. Control C to copy. We go into task A3B. Boys, all of you, Control V to paste. Control V to paste your code. Okay? Your code is over here. Good. Have you done all this? Come on. Control V to paste all your code. Okay? Then the examiner tells you, what does he tell you? Highlight the code to show where the changes were made. Now let me show you all. Guys, what were the changes we made? This 0000, right? Why exactly? Why don't you search for it? Go to your code. Shortcut key to search is, boys, I'm looking for the 000000 code. So I'm going to press Control F. Control F and search for what? Hashtag 000000. Where is it? It's over here. Okay. So all you do is highlight it. Home tab, highlight it. Anyone remembers the tag for underline? Tag, not shortcut key. What was the tag we use in HTML? Not you are you. Angle bracket U, angle bracket close. Where is it? It's over here. We simply select U. Highlight it. Everyone saw this? It didn't get highlighted properly. We simply highlight U only. Boys over there. Okay, now I have highlighted the two changes. The black color, I searched for it, and underline also I searched for it. You can search for home. When you find home, underline will be next to it. Okay, or you can search for the underline tag, angle bracket U. You can search for it. Are we all okay with this? Come on, everyone. Okay. I'm saving my work now. I'm going to say this is also done. Okay. Guys, last question. State and justify one improvement. I'm going to, guys, quickly give me one improvement, will you? Our last question, guys, and then we are done. Task A 3C. Give me one improvement you would make to this web page.
Increase the size.
Make the font size bigger. Okay, I'll get that down. We don't have time. Okay. I would increase the size of the font. Why? Justify it.
Because make it clearer for the readers to read.
To make it easier for my audience, for my viewers, for my audience to read the text on my web page. This is a good answer. Sorry. Everybody, for your information, we have now come to the end of web authoring also. Everyone listening to me, we have only 2 practical chapters remaining, Excel and Access. We will not be starting Excel next week. Next week, I'm going to do a revision of all, not of all the practical, of 2-3 practical chapters. Next week, I'm going to do with y'all. And thereafter, I will start Excel with y'all. Okay? Access will be our last chapter. So next week, everybody, will be a revision class. Okay? Most probably graphics designing and word processing. Sorry?
Excel is our last chapter.
Access is our last chapter. Excel is next. After we do Access.
Access is
We can do it in any order. I chose this order. What did you say?
Tables, right?
Access is database. Yeah, inside database, you have tables. Okay, everybody, until we meet again then. Next Monday we have, right? Yeah, next Monday. Take care. Stay safe.